Hello everyone. Challenges are there, but we have to face them with confidence and with beautiful smile. So, hello everyone, it's me. I'm Anshali Dilip Bhagat. I'm learning in 8th standard from Ullas Vidyalaya in Marathi medium, as well as I'm student of Zero to Hero in English Academy from Gold Batch. My ambition is to become a taekwondo player till 2031, as well as I want to be English confident till 2nd January 2023. So friends, challenges. I have faced so many challenges in English. Before joining this class, English was, though I like English, though English is my favorite subject, but I avoid it. Cause whenever, means before joining the class, whenever a teacher were telling me, you can say, write the passage or read the passage, I can't do that. But after when I joined this class, or means before that also, there were so many challenges for me that I faced. Environment are there and others thing also. My confidence was very low that time, and when I joined this class, you can see my improvement. You can see the transformation that I have. You can say I have participated in motivation session. I can speak English very well. I can give presentation also, and really in that I'm giving my best. I really, you can say, now I love English, because of English I got so much value in my life, in my school time, or you can say other thing also. Even those person who, you can say, compared with me with others, now they even calling me and telling my progress. So thank you to sir, and thank you to listening me the till end. Bye.